If your Figma screens have these fake and unrealistic text, lorem ipsum, placeholder, or ABCD blah 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 text, as well as the empty profile circles and repetitive images, they might look fine for you as a designer. Imagine being a client who is spending thousands of dollars on the design and seeing them for the first time. Instead of visualizing the product, all they see is the dummy content. That's why I use Content Reel plugin. This allows me to insert realistic data, pictures, company logos, etc. From the toolbar, go to Actions, Plugins, and search for Content Reel. Select the plugin. First, let's change the profile icons. Select all the profile circles and inside the plugin, choose Images. Below you can find a list of collections. You can choose any of the list and the images inside the collection will be automatically applied. To view what are the images inside the collection, hover over the list and you can find the eye icon. Select it, it will now show the entire images in the collection. When you need to apply a specific image for the profile, usually selecting from the grid will allow you, but I don't know why, but it's not working now. I switched to list view, from here it's working. You can also find other images like company logos, map, national flags, and etc. Now that we have applied images for the profile circles, let's change the username. Select all the names which you need to change. In the plugin, go to text and search names from the search bar. Hover over a collection, tap the eye icon. From this collection, bottom you have the method to apply the data, random, ascending, descending, etc. And tap apply all and it will be applied. Now select all the numbers and search for numbers. You can choose your preferred number based on your requirement. Additionally, if you have signed in to this plugin, you can also create your own custom collection. Go to add and tap add and choose if you need to create a text collection or an image collection. I'll go with the text collection. Add a title to your collection. You can set it private or public. And inside the text content items, type the text you need. Tap enter to add a new text. After listing all the values, you can just create. And here you can find the collection you have created. You can simply select and it will be applied to the design. And everything you have created will be inside this My Content. Subscribe for more such interesting tutorials only on Show Starters.